Hey, welcome back, my amazing student. This is the Python mentor here, helping you master Python step by step. Now, in today's lecture, we're going to take a look at very important features in Python called unions, intersections, and differences. So let's go ahead and play around with these two groups that we have here of contacts here. So let's go ahead and print out first the groups here so that way we can see it, right? So let me just go ahead and do that. You can see the two groups here, right? All right, so let's do the union feature first, all right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put both of this together and then I'm going to print them out so you can see them unified, all right? So we'll say group A, and then we'll use this vertical pipe here, just like that. And we'll do group B. This is combining all this together, the group A, B, and the A, all right? And that's all you need to create a union here, all right? And then we'll just print out, and then make a new line here real quick, and we'll do union here, so that way you have some reference here. So we can say all contacts or all unique. What I like about sets is that they're all unique, right? Automatically. So unique contacts. There we go, and we'll just do all contacts here. We should put an S here, so just like that. All right, let's do intersection here. So intersection would be what appears in both groups, all right? So let's do share contacts here, and we'll do group A, and then we'll use this ampersand, this symbol here, to put them together, right? So this will give me what's in both groups, all right? So I will have shared contacts here. I'm combining both of them, all right? That's what I'm doing here. So I'm just sharing the unique ones, all right? So we're only gonna have unique shared. Whatever is not unique, all right, would not be here. So let's go ahead and print this out. So let's print out first all contacts, right? We have all contacts. They are both combined there. And now, let's go ahead and print down the share contacts. Let's go ahead and comment this out. And you can see now that what they all share is Maria at Hotmail, right? You see that? We're sharing this. So what Maria is here, and then Maria is there, right? All right, perfect. Let's go ahead and do what each of these groups have different, right? So let's say only in A. Let's just start with this one here. So we'll do the difference here. So we'll say group A, and then we'll use a minus symbol here. All right, we'll put the group A first, and then let's see what's the difference in group A, right? So we'll come back here and we'll just do that. And this one here, we'll say difference. And here would be intersection. I'm just changing this a little bit so that way you guys have some type of reference, right? And this here, instead of saying in all, this one would say in both groups. Okay, just like that. So that way you guys have a reference there. All right, and then this one here would be only in A. Okay, there we go. So what should we see now? All right, let's see what's different. So in group A, if this was correct, we only should see contacts that are different. Who's only in group A? The difference. All right. So difference only in group A, right? We have Brian right here that is not in group B. And then we have Jose that is not in group B either. Okay? All right. So let's go ahead and do one more here. And let's see who's unique to each group. All right, let's do that. So let's go ahead and say unique contacts. Let's see what's unique. So what I should see here, what's unique on both of them, right? What's unique on both of them we should be able to print that out. So let's do group A, and then we use this caret symbol that sits in my keyboard, and then we'll do group B, just like that. So about changing these operators. And let's go ahead and print this out. And this one here will say, this one would be the symmetric with two M's, I believe, difference, right? So in math, symmetric means equal, right? So this would be the difference. To unique to each, simple as that. And here, we'll do unique contacts, all right? So you wanna guess what the answer would be down here? All right, let's go ahead and run it. And you can see the difference symmetric here to each here that are unique is Rahul, William, right? It's not on any of those. Brian and Jose. Those are the ones that are unique. Everything else that's the same. Maria here is the common, not the common, the common denominator actually in both of them, right? So this one here is the only one that is repeated in both groups. So that's the symmetric difference there, is this here, Rahul, William, Brian, and Jose, all right? So this is all about union, intersection, and differences. You got all of them here, right? You got no excuse not to know this. Go ahead and play around with this a little bit. But when we're building really cool applications, you're gonna need to know these foundations in order for you to understand what in the world we're actually doing at that particular moment when we're using these features, all right? So that's why I'm giving you these lectures, because we're gonna take it up and to a different level, and I want you guys to be there with me, all right? Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this. If you like this information and helped you understand something different in Python, please give me a like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next lecture. Thank you.